Here we come to the elevator at Building L at Pima Community College West Campus in Tucson, Arizona. We have a Wheel-O-Vator. And it's here. Let's get our cab view. This is open. I'm not sure where the interlock is. Interlock's down there. I think it's electric. I don't think this has a retiring cam. That's the interlock. But right, let's go up. Let's go up to 2. We have a very nice cab. It's tall. It's open-ended. It's open. Capacity 550 pounds. And we will now go up here in just a second. Very nice elevator. This is just a wheelchair lift, so actually this does have a retiring cam. I take that back. That's the interlock right there. It's on that side. Let's go up. Alright, we are now up on 2. The door opens this way. And yeah, this does have a retiring cam. If I zoom in right there, that's the alarm bell. That is the retiring cam. Inspection certificate. It's very shaky. It's a very nice elevator, but it's quite shaky. Alright, in just a second, I will demonstrate the retiring cam going down. Being careful not to drop my camera down the wasteway. Alright, let's watch this. Constant pressure, so if I let go, it stops midway. Again, I'll stop it right here. That is the interlock. Actually, I don't think it's a retiring cam. I think it's actually some sort of a... Yeah, I think it pushes up on that, and that's what unlocks the door. So we'll keep going down. Alright, we're now here on 1. And I perfectly leveled this thing with the floor. Did a great job there. Anyways, this is a very nice elevator. It's quite vintage, I think. Not sure when this was installed, but it looks very vintage. This is a very nice elevator. Yep, and there's the interlock on that side. So, that being said, I'm going to close this thing up. And, that's going to be it.